Hi, my name's Marty, and I'm the co-founder of Career Day, and I'll be talking to you about internships and apprenticeships today. You might ask, what's the difference between the two? And the answer is pretty much this. Internships are offered by companies to applicants who are interested in joining the company and getting experience. So when the internship ends, you'll be qualified for a job interview. The company will have a history of your job performance, and if your job matches your skills, you'll be able to apply and get hired. Companies have several options for internships. So for instance, one is an internship for a specific position, and the other one is a rotating position. So you'll be exposed to many types of job positions. Internships are referred to as a try until you buy model by the employer. Apprenticeships are different. The model is called train to retain. The employer is interested in training new hires to become proficient in a specific job position. The applicant, once hired, goes through a training program, and once completed, the person becomes a full-time employee. Both of the above options are great because they get you in the door, which helps you launch your career. How do I find these opportunities, you might ask? There are two easy steps. One is to click on a company website that you're interested in and see if they offer either of the above opportunities. And if they do, you can apply. Your other course of action is to click on the apprenticeships and internships links on our website, and up will come a list of opportunities in your area. Either way, make sure you have a strong resume. Watch our resume writing video if you don't. It will teach you what the most important 7 sections are of a resume. You should also take our My Inner Genius assessment. It will help you identify what jobs best fit your skill sets. Once you're finished with your assessment, go to our apprenticeships and internships link to find just great opportunities. That's it for now. Thanks so much for listening. Speak to you later.